Hey there, I'm Sammy from Binance, and today we're going to cover a crucial topic for P2P traders: how to raise appeal for orders. Even though most transactions go smoothly, sometimes issues can arise, and knowing how to handle them can save you a lot of stress. Let's walk through the process together on the app. First, it's important to understand how Binance P2P's escrow system works. When you initiate a P2P trade, the crypto you're buying or selling is held in escrow by Binance until both parties confirm the transaction. This system is in place to protect both buyers and sellers during the trade. But what happens if something goes wrong? Let's dive into the dispute resolution process. If you're in a situation where the buyer has made the payment but something went wrong, such as the payment was not received or the payer's name didn't match, you can open a dispute. First, head to the payment confirmation page of your P2P order and you'll see an option to Get Help. Click on it to start the process. You should always try to negotiate with the counterparty directly first on the Help page. You can click on Contact Counterparty. However, if it doesn't work and you want to proceed with the appeal, tap Appeal instead. Then you'll be prompted to provide details about the issue, such as missing payment, incorrect amounts, or failure to release crypto. You'll see some suggestions on how to resolve your issue. Select the issue you are facing. You should always try to negotiate with the counterparty directly first. Tap Go to Chat to do so. Alternatively, you can remind the counterparty if you received no response. If it still doesn't work and you want to proceed with the appeal, tap Appeal below. Now, to resolve the dispute as quickly as possible, you'll need to provide evidence. This could include bank transfer receipts, screenshots of your payment, or any communication that shows you fulfilled your side of the deal. Remember, the more detailed and accurate your evidence, the easier it will be for the Binance support team to investigate and resolve the dispute. While the dispute is under appeal, avoid any conversation with the counterparty outside the platform to ensure a smooth resolution of the dispute. Once you've submitted the appeal and evidence, the counterparty will have a 10-minute window to reply to your appeal. You may check the progress from Progress. During this time, all crypto remains securely held in escrow. If the counterparty doesn't reply to your appeal within the time limit, or the counterparty clicks on Negotiation Failed, you should see a CS review, and a customer support agent will assist you and the counterparty to resolve the dispute shortly. If you have reached consensus with your trading counterparty, the counterparty could click on Consensus Reached and cancel the appeal. Ultimately, if your dispute requires the Binance P2P support team to review all the evidence, our support team will decide who is in the right and release the crypto to the appropriate party. You'll be notified of the outcome via the Binance app or email, and your order will be marked as completed or cancelled, depending on the resolution. Most disputes are resolved fairly quickly as long as both parties provide the necessary information. But here are a few tips to avoid disputes in the first place. First, always verify payments in your bank or payment app before releasing crypto. Make sure you communicate clearly with the other party and stay within the platform for all conversations. Third, choose verified merchants, trusted buyers or sellers with good ratings and trade history. Fourth, do not cancel or release the order if you haven't received the refund or fiat deposited to your bank account. And that's how you resolve disputes via appeal on Binance's P2P. Remember, Binance's escrow and support system are here to help, but following best practices can ensure your trades go smoothly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and guides on using Binance. See you next time.